Hello dear students, welcome to the online classes of physical education. Students, today we are going to learn about the nutrition, and this is very interesting topic because in this topic we are going to discuss about the deficiency of vitamins. Vitamins come under the micronutrients, and in which we already discussed about the fat soluble vitamins, and today we are going to discuss about the water soluble vitamin. Let's start. Water soluble vitamins are those which are easily soluble in water, and in these kind of vitamins there will be the element of nitrogen and sulfur, right? Vitamin B complex. Why we are calling this complex? Because there is lots of different vitamins under the B. Okay, there are 12 vitamins under vitamin B complex. Now first is vitamin B1, which is also called or also known as thiamine. Vitamin B1 helps in the metabolizing carbohydrate. It means it conserves carbohydrate in our body and maintain the health of liver, kidneys, intestine, stomach and brain, or we can say maintains the health of internal organs. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Okay, in this picture you can see these kind of spots comes in our skin or in our body, right? Vitamin B2 or riboflavin. This vitamin is usually destroyed in cooking the food. It means whenever we get heat, this vitamin destroyed, right? It is very essential to keep our eyes, nose, mouth, lips and tongue in a healthy state. This is very important. If we have lack of vitamin B in our body, that time we can face lots of problems, and the main deficiency of the vitamin B2 is unhealthy skin and inflamed eyes. You can see in this picture you will feel little pain in your eyes, and this kind of disease can happen just because of lack of vitamin B2. Vitamin B3, this is also known as niacin. Its deficiency cause pellagra. This is a very dangerous and very different kind of disease in which the skin of a person can be like this. Okay, there will be the dark spots in the skin of the human body. Vitamin B5, it generally maintain the body weight, and it is also beneficial of health of the skin, and sometimes this is also beneficial for to boost our energy. Sometimes if we don't have sufficient amount of vitamin B5 in our body, then the deficiency causes depression, muscles cramps, fatigue, restless, and sometimes we get frustrated easily. Irritation will be there in a person just because of the lack of vitamin B5. Now vitamin B6, the deficiency of vitamin B6 causes pediatric diseases, weakness, confusion, insomnia, itchy skin, etc. Right, you can see in the picture this kind of skin nature will be there. It will be very itchy skin. Just because of this vitamin a person can feel weakness in the body, right? Now vitamin B7, the deficiency of vitamin B7 causes hair loss, and this vitamin B7 is also responsible for anemia or lack of appetite. Okay, now vitamin B9, which is also known as folic acid. This is tasteless and yellow in the color. It is very essential for the reproductive organs and growth and development of the body. This vitamin B9 also helps in the formation of the blood. The deficiency of the folic acid, or we can say B9, may cause loss of leukocytes. It means there will be problem in formation of the white blood cells in our body. Now vitamin B12, the color of this vitamin is red. This vitamin is usually destroyed in cooking, and whenever we or we take sun bath for a long time period, then time it can be lost easily. Its deficiency may cause anemia, paralysis, lack of power, etc. Now with this chart you can easily get to know about the water soluble vitamins and the characteristics of the vitamins and what are the sources through which we can gain these vitamins easily. You can get a screenshot of this table. This table is based on these slides, right? This is totally depend on those topics. Vitamin C, this vitamin is also called ascorbic acid. It is also helpful in healing wounds. If sometimes we get injured or there is any kind of problem in our body, that time this vitamin is very helpful in healing the wounds. It also maintains healthy teeth and gums. This is very good vitamin to keep our teeth and gums in a healthy manner, because the deficiency of the vitamin C is called scurvy. And what is the scurvy? Scurvy is this, okay? Here your gums in a danger, because bleeding will start from your gums. Sometimes you do the brush, that time you can see the blood into your brush, right? The sources of vitamin C are lemon, pineapple, guava, amla, oranges, tomato, green chilies and apples. These are the sources of vitamin C, especially lemon, amla and chilies. These three are the best sources of vitamin C. Thank you for today. We discussed about the macro and micronutrients. Now the topic is left minerals. In the next class we will discuss about that. Students, today's question from this videos are: which vitamin's deficiency is caused pellagra? First question. And second is: which vitamin is known as folic acid? Okay, you have to give answer. Send me the answer in my personal number.